Hey there, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to uncover something truly powerful. The mindset of a trader who has been trading for years, losing again and again. But here's the interesting part. What exactly is going on in his mind just days before he finally becomes profitable? After years of effort, countless mistakes, and endless struggles, what truths has he finally understood about the market? Today we will uncover those hidden realities that every trader must know. Lessons that can save you years of wasted time and bring you closer to success much faster. I can confidently say, you will not find a video like this anywhere else. So make sure you watch till the end and keep a notebook and a pen ready, because what you're about to learn might change your trading journey forever. This stage of trading is the most difficult stage of all. If 95% of traders fail in the market, then nearly 60% of them fail exactly here at this stage, and they give up trading forever. So if you are also struggling, still in the learning phase, then pay very close attention. The realities I am about to share with you are the same truths every profitable trader discovers before success. And if you have already started to realize these truths, it means you are standing at this exact level. And remember, if you are here, you must never quit. Because once you cross this stage, you are only days away from becoming a consistently profitable trader. So, let's now uncover the 13 powerful realities that a successful trader comes to know just days before achieving consistent profits. And if you also learn these truths and begin to apply them, then your breakthrough may be only a few days away. These lessons can turn your struggles into success and put you on the path of becoming a truly profitable trader. Number 1. Every market moves in its own way. Every trading pair, every crypto coin, and every stock has its own unique structure, rhythm, and behavior. On the chart, patterns may sometimes look similar, but in reality, each market has its own behavior and rhythm. The behavior of USD/JPY does not match EUR/USD, and the way EUR/USD moves is very different from GBP/USD. In the same way, each stock and each crypto coin has its own rhythm. This means you cannot simply take one strategy and apply it across multiple pairs or markets. That will never work. To trade successfully, you must first study the specific personality of the instrument you are trading, its movement, its rhythm, how it reacts to news, and how it flows with time. Only when you truly understand the unique behavior of that pair or stock, then your strategy or system will align with it and give you profitable results. This is why knowing the rhythm of each market is the real key to becoming a successful trader. Let's take an example of gold. Yes, every market reacts to support and resistance. But the important question is, how does gold react at these levels? You need to know its specific behavior. Does it create long wicks before reversal? Does it form certain patterns at resistance? When gold reacts, how far does it usually move upward? And when it breaks a level, what kind of structure does it build? These details are the rhythm of gold, and when you study and understand this rhythm, only then can you place a high-quality, profitable trade with confidence. Number 2. The market does not follow indicators or patterns. By the time a trader is just days away from becoming consistently profitable, he realizes a powerful truth. The market does not move according to indicators. It does not follow any fixed system, and it does not obey patterns or formulas. The market moves only according to the mindset and decisions of the traders who are active in it, the banks, the institutions, the investment firms, and the millions of individuals trading every day. Once he accepts this, he stops searching for a magic formula and starts focusing on understanding the psychology and behavior behind market movements. Think about it. If markets truly moved only by indicators or fixed patterns, then everyone would use the same formula and everyone would be rich. But the reality is different. Sometimes a perfect head and shoulders pattern fails. Sometimes an indicator gives a false signal, and sometimes the market rallies against all technical expectations. Why? Because behind the chart, it's the mindset and actions of large players that control the flow. A trader who understands this truth begins to read the market through behavior, not through blind formulas, and that's when he gets close to real success. Number 3. A trader. You cannot master multiple pairs or stocks at once. Another reality that a trader realizes just days before becoming consistently profitable is that he cannot trade in multiple pairs or markets at the same time. He comes to know that he must select only one or two markets, whether it is a forex pair, gold, crypto, or stocks, and focus on them with full dedication. He understands that every market has its own rhythm and behavior, and trying to handle too many at once only leads to failure. Success begins when he accepts this truth and builds mastery over a limited number of instruments. He realizes that he must trade in only one pair, and he must give it the same amount of time and focus that other profitable traders are giving to it. In every market, the traders who consistently make profit are fully dedicated to that one pair. They study its moves, its rhythm, and its reactions every single day. To compete with them and to take profit from the same market, he also needs to invest the same level of attention and effort. Only by matching their focus can he truly understand the psychology of that pair and generate consistent profits. For example, if the market is gold, then all the profitable traders are studying only gold. They give all of their time, focus, and energy to understanding its moves. So if he also wants to make profit in gold, he must dedicate the same amount of time and focus to it. Only then can he compete with those traders, understand gold's psychology, and finally take consistent profit from it. Number 4. Markets are interconnected. He realizes that even though every market has its own behavior, they are all interconnected. If he is trading multiple pairs at the same time and takes a loss in one pair, there is a very high chance that he will also face a loss in another. This is because the overall sentiment and flow of the markets are often connected. When one market is moving against him, the behavior of related markets usually creates the same kind of pressure. That's why profitable traders avoid spreading themselves too thin across many pairs. They know that focusing on one market protects them from falling into a chain of losses across multiple trades. Number 5. He realizes that instead of blindly relying on indicators and fixed patterns, he must study the psychology and behavior of traders in the market. When he looks at the past, he observes how many traders entered at a certain level, how much volume was involved, and what the result was after a specific pattern formed. Then, when he sees the same situation happening again, he does not just see a pattern, he sees the behavior of traders behind it. He thinks, if traders reacted this way in the past with this kind of volume, then chances are high they will react in a similar way again. By studying trader psychology, he places trades with a deeper understanding, not just with mechanical signals. Number 6. Maximum 2 to 3 trades a day. He realizes that taking too many trades in a single day will only destroy his trading history and wipe away the progress he has made. That's why he limits himself to a maximum of 2 or 3 trades per day, and often just one good trade is enough. He understands that quality matters more than quantity. By controlling his urge to overtrade, he protects his account, his psychology, and his consistency. This discipline separates him from losing traders and brings him closer to long-term success. Number 7. He fixes his loss. Not as profit, he realizes that he cannot control how much profit the market will give him in a single day, but he can always control how much he is willing to lose. That's why he sets a strict rule for himself. Once he hits his maximum daily loss limit, he stops trading immediately, no matter what happens next. Even if a perfect-looking setup appears right after his loss, he does not touch it. Instead, he accepts the day as it is, protects his account, and walks away. For example, if his daily loss limit is $100, he will stop trading as soon as he loses that amount. If he had planned to take 3 trades and only took 1, he knows that ignoring this rule will only lead to emotional revenge trading and even bigger losses. By respecting his limit, he keeps his psychology intact and ensures that he can come back the next day with a fresh mind and a stronger chance to win. This mindset makes all the difference. While losing traders try to win back their losses and end up destroying their accounts, the disciplined trader survives, preserves his capital, and positions himself for long-term success. Number 8. Paper trading is not real trading. He realizes that there is a huge difference between paper trading and real trading and, in fact, the difference is far greater than most people think. On paper, everything looks easy and predictable. For example, when you backtest a system on history, you may find that the maximum consecutive losses are only 5. But in real trading, the story is completely different. It is very possible to face 10, 12, or even 15 consecutive losses in real market conditions. This harsh reality has a deep impact on psychology. Many traders who are confident in backtesting quickly lose hope in real trading when losses stretch far beyond what they expected. This is one of the biggest reasons why 95% of traders fail. They are not prepared for the psychological pressure of real losses. But here lies the hidden truth. Sometimes, just one good trade can recover many small losses and bring in huge profit. The disciplined trader does not panic during a losing streak, because he knows that the next high-quality trade could change everything. This patience and belief in his edge is what separates him from the crowd. Number 9. Trading reflects real life. He realizes that trading is directly linked to real life. If he wants to be disciplined in trading and consistently make profit, he must first bring that discipline into his everyday life. He cannot expect to be careless, lazy, unorganized outside the market, and then suddenly become disciplined once he opens a trading chart. It simply doesn't work that way. To succeed in trading, he has to practice self-control, respect time, and follow routines in his real life. Only then does that same discipline naturally reflect in his trading decisions. In reality, a trader's lifestyle becomes the foundation of his trading success. Number 10. Every successful trader keeps a journal. He realizes that every successful trader keeps a trading journal. It's not just a record of past trades, it is the mirror of his own mindset and behavior in the market. While modern traders often rely on laptops or trading software to track their history, the reality is that there is a big difference between typing on a screen and writing by hand in a notebook. Writing forces him to slow down, reflect, and truly process his emotions, mistakes, and decisions. When he writes with his own hand, the lessons sink deeper into his mind, creating a stronger impact on his psychology. This is why many great traders still prefer keeping a physical trading journal. A written page captures the emotional weight of a bad trade, or the confidence behind a good one far better than any digital record ever could. Over time, this journal becomes a personal guidebook, reminding him not just of numbers, but of the mindset and discipline that lead to consistent success. Every trader has a unique strategy. He realizes that every trader in the market develops his own unique strategy, and no two traders can ever trade the exact same way. Even if thousands of traders are watching the same chart, their mindset, psychology, and risk tolerance will always be different. One trader might enter on a breakout, another might wait for a pullback, while a third might avoid the setup completely. This is why it is impossible for one universal strategy to fit everyone. Each trader's approach is shaped by his personal experiences, his emotional strength, his financial goals, and even his lifestyle. Some prefer scalping because it matches their fast decision-making, while others prefer swing trading because it gives them more patience and control. Over time, a trader learns that copying someone else's system blindly will never bring consistent success. What works for one may completely fail for another. I guess the real success of any strategy depends on how well it matches the trader's own psychology. That's why every profitable trader eventually stops searching for the perfect strategy and instead builds one that reflects his own mindset, discipline, and rhythm in the market. Number 12. Account size and risk management. He realizes that his trading account must always be meaningful enough to matter. A profitable trader never keeps his bank account full while leaving only a tiny amount in his trading account. Because if the wins and losses don't emotionally affect him, he won't respect the market. He keeps enough balance in his trading account so that every move matters. But at the same time, he manages risk so carefully that no single trade can destroy him. That's why he risks only 1%, or at most 2%, of his account on any trade. This way, even if he faces a losing day, it barely makes a dent in his overall capital. This balance between emotional connection to his account and strict control over risk is what allows him to stay consistent, disciplined, and ultimately profitable. Number 13. Emotions are necessary in trading. He realizes that emotionless trading is nothing more than systematic trading, and systematic trading can never win in the real market. The reason is simple. Markets are not driven by formulas or fixed patterns. They are driven by traders, by the banks, the funds, the institutions, and the countless individuals whose decisions are influenced by emotions like fear, greed, patience, and confidence. To compete with them, he must also be emotionally engaged. If he trades without emotions, he will never truly understand the psychology behind market moves. But he also knows the balance. While emotions must be present to keep him connected and competitive, they must never push him to break his own rules. His money management, his discipline, and his trading limits stay unbroken, even as his emotions help him fight in the same arena where the biggest players compete. At the end of the day, a trader who is just a few steps away from success has already discovered these deep truths about the market. He knows that every market and every pair has its own behavior, that he cannot trade everywhere at once, and that true success comes from focus and patience. He understands that indicators and patterns alone are not enough. Fit is the mindset of traders that moves the market. He accepts that losses are part of the journey, that emotions must be present but always under control, and that trading must be treated like a serious business, not a gamble. Most importantly, he realizes that success does not come from chasing shortcuts, but from discipline, risk management, and consistency. Every profitable trader has walked through these hard lessons. The ones who respect them are the ones who survive, grow, and finally become truly successful. If you are facing these same realities today, don't quit, because it simply means you are closer to becoming a profitable trader than ever before.